When troubleshooting a problem on your Windows computer, you often use the Group Policy Editor to easily fix it. But what if the Group Policy Editor suddenly stops working? Now you can bring it back using these steps that we have for you in this video. So firstly, check if you're using Windows build and version by opening Run, type in the following, then press Enter. In here, you should be able to use the Windows Home in order for you to use the Group Policy Editor. But if it says you're using Windows Home but cannot access gpedit, then try running a bat file by opening Launchpad, copy and paste the following batch code, then save this file, add the bat file extension to the name, then close Notepad. Once done, run it as an administrator, then restart your computer and check if you can now access the Group Policy Editor. If nothing works, use the command prompt. Do it by opening command prompt with admin rights, run the following commands, then press Enter. Now when you see the process is 100% complete, you can now close the command prompt and restart your computer. Last on the list, run an SFC scan. Do it by opening command prompts as an admin right. Do it by opening command prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. And those are the following ways on how you can bring back the Group Policy Editor in Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.